Hello, this is Eric, and today I'm going to have a very quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you how you can create a personal view on SharePoint lists. In the case you want to create a view that might be relevant only for yourself, and maybe other users wouldn't find very helpful, you can create a SharePoint list personal view. To do that, you would create it just as any other view, except that there's one important setting you got to tick off, and I want to show you which one that is. So let's jump right into it. Let's create a new view. Let's go into our list settings. To create one from an existing view or start a brand new one. I want to start a brand new one from standard view. I'm going to call this one personal view. And the one important setting we want to switch here is view audience. We want to create personal view. This means that only you will be able to see this view and no other users will. So you can continue to configure your view as you may. Once you're done, all you have to do is click OK. And now you'll see that I have personal view. Now, to test out if this worked or not, I'm going to log in as a different user and into the same list and pull down the view selection button, and you're going to see that this personal view will not be available to my other user. Okay, so let me bring in my other account. So this is my other account. This is Megan Bowen. Let me refresh the page. All right. Now, as Megan Bowen, I'm going to check out the views, and you'll see that personal view does not pop up here. But if I go back into my previous account, it does pop up here. So that's it. That's how you create a personal view on a SharePoint list. Thank you.